Here I have Samsung Galaxy A04s, and today I'm going to show you how to remove screen lock from this device in case if you set yourself PIN, password or pattern and unfortunately forget it and can't even unlock your device right now. So to remove it, firstly you have to connect your device to the computer with USB cable. Then what you have to do is to turn it off, but not by holding down power key and then select and turn it off, because it just won't work, you know. You can try it yourself, but you have to perform quite different operation. Firstly, you have to hold down power key plus volume down for about 7 seconds. Then your device turns off, and like the same second as the screen turns black, you have to release these keys and press power key plus volume up. Then the same second as the Samsung logo appears, you have to release power key and keep holding only volume down, and then we will see what's going to be next. Right now let's do at least this one. So firstly we press power key plus volume down, then quickly release it and press power key plus volume up, then release power key. In the following menu, you have to use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and select an option Wipe Data Factory Reset. Then select Factory Data Reset, and after you see the message Data Wipe Complete, select the first option Reboot System Now, and your device will be restarted in about a minute or two. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.